Friends, I'm happy to make this announcement that I have completely checked and edited the AFM Mastery book, and now it is the updated version is available live for all of you to purchase. You can always WhatsApp me to buy this book. AFM Mastery book has been a very emotional book for me because I have spent more than 7 years preparing this book. Not only that, this book is made in a way that first you get the concept, after that you do concept problems, after that you do advanced problems, and when you do the concept, if you don't understand, you have QR codes. So the moment you scan the QR code, the video of this thing will start playing. So friends, if many of you like to do self-study, you don't want to attend classes, you don't want to go for recorded lectures, this mastery book will be a full shot solution for you to learn the entire AFM on your own. I would just like to show you a sample from the chapter of mutual funds. So when you're learning about the concept of D1, it is done in all pictographic manner where they'll give you a person whose name is Narayana investing in the AMC. AMC is investing the money in Reliance Industries. And then when they make profit, 20 lakh is distributed from here to here. And then when 20 lakh is given from Reliance to the AMC, AMC is distributing 5 lakh to Narayana. So D1 is basically nothing but it is the 5 lakh that is distributed by the AMC to Narayana and not the 20 lakh distributed by Reliance to the AMC. This is just one example. So like this, the entire book is very pictographical and it will help you a lot to understand and learn things in a much easy manner. So please grab the book and let me know how I can improve on the same thing and make it even better so that you all can learn better, learn easily, enjoy learning and score the best marks in the examination. Thank you so much, friends.